Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for the feedback, the comments and support. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're prompted every time I post a new video. Today we are doing omelette and our target is especially the picky eaters. So we'll be needing eggs. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 eggs because I want it to be very thick, but it's really up to you. And then also I would need some carrots, green pepper, and fish. I am using flaked tuna. My Kumasi people call it awai, but you can use any fish or protein of your choice. It's really up to you. I'll also be needing some fried plantain, ripe plantain. My toddler loves them, so I decided to incorporate it into this recipe. You can avoid it as well. Here I have some spices. There's salt, cinnamon, and turmeric powder. I will also be needing some oil for frying. So we will start by cracking our eggs into a bowl. Now I'll be adding my salt, cinnamon, and turmeric powder. All these spices are really to your taste. We will now set this bowl aside and then mix our plate of carrots, green pepper, and flaked tuna. You can use any vegetables of your choice. One tip about feeding picky eaters is to make sure that their food is loaded with nutrients so they are not missing out on anything. Now let's fry. I'll be using a tablespoon of oil. Then in goes my eggs. And then I'm adding the mixture of vegetables and tuna flakes. My frying pan is on very low heat. You can see I'm adding my ripe plantain. I'm being very generous with it because my toddler loves them. After everything has gone in, cover and leave to cook for between 8 and 10 minutes. While we wait for our omelette to cook, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And keep sharing with your friends and loved ones. If you are not using a see-through lid or you are impatient, you can open and check if your omelette is done. Watching the video, you can tell the surface is still a little moist, so you know it's not cooked. We di nkosia pizza o. Nkwala na ni beje ho pa. I will be dividing it into 8 equal parts, but however you slice it, it's fine. And even for babies who have started finger foods, you could cut them into smaller bits so they can pick them up themselves and eat. I hope you try this recipe and let me know how your toddler enjoyed it. Until we meet again next time with another nutritiously yummy recipe, keep blooming.